Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT-based automated air and water quality monitoring system. So LM35 temperature sensor, pH sensor, MQ6 gas sensor, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor, and pH sensor. So here we will see the data: temperature, MQ6, MQ9, humidity. Okay. So IoT-based automated air and water quality monitoring system. So in this project we are using Arduino R3 board. So 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, it converts to 5 volts pure DC output, and here we are using GSM SIM 800C. Here we can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, RX, TX 0 and 1 connected to the serial communication of Arduino board. LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A1, humidity sensor connected to the A4, MQ6 gas sensor connected to the A2, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor connected to the A3, LM358 operational amplifier and pH sensor connected to the A0, and a 16 x 2 LC display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. And this is a total block diagram of the project. So we are getting the SMS alerts like over temperature, over humidity, gas alert, carbon monoxide alert, and temperature alert. And here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So here GSM SIM 800C, we can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So Idea 3G SIM card we are using. Press it, it will go inside. Press it, it will come outside. So cut should be there outside. Okay, cut. So GSM SIM 800C. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 80 mega 328 controller board, and reset button, USB programming. 16 x 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And here we are using LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and MQ6 gas sensor, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor, LM358 operational amplifier, and the pH sensor. And this is normal water and this is salt water. Now let's start with the power supply. Air and water quality monitoring system using IoT, GPRS setting, GPRS testing, connected, disable, echo, finding network, test message. Okay, so GPRS setting, GPRS came. So must and should we need to use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. So serial came, HTTP on. Okay, now we are going to increase the temperature, heat, pH, T for temperature, MQ6, MQ9, temperature 45 and above, temperature 48, yeah, temperature 47. It will send the data, sending data to web page, send completed. pH sensor 10 above, it will send the data. Okay, send completed, it will update the data. Temperature value, it will update, send. Okay, yeah, temperature updated, pH value update, gas value updated, humidity updated. Humidity, I am increasing the humidity, 34, humidity 34, humidity 40, humidity 47. Slowly it will increase the humidity, 48. Okay, sending data to web page, humidity 45 and above, temperature 45 and above, sending data to web page. It will update the data, send completed, send completed, send action, it will update the value. Yeah, humidity updated. And we are getting the alert messages also, over temperature alert. Okay, over humidity alert. So now I am increasing the gas, Okay, gas sensor using cigarette lighter. Continuously you need to give for two counts continuously, 200 and above. Sending data to web page. Every 10 counts it will update the data to server also. Continuously I am giving continuous. pH value 10, then it will update to the server. Send completed. Gas sensor, yeah, gas sensor also came. Carbon monoxide, yeah, sending data to 200 and above. pH value 10, over temperature, over humidity. So power supply module, GSM GPRS modem, LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, gas sensor, carbon monoxide sensor, and salt water. Okay, pH sensor. So power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 board, reset button, USB programming. Okay. Yeah, 214, value 214. Sending data to server. Send to web page. Send completed. Yeah, MQ9, 214 MQ6. So all messages can over temperature, over humidity, pH value, carbon monoxide alert, and we will get the gas alert also. High gas alert. Thank you. And this is our block diagram of the project in here web page. Okay, thank you.